You won't believe where I'm at, or maybe you will. I'm starting this video off backwards. I'm all sweaty and greasy, but check out the places I've been, and y'all leave it in the comments and let me know what state I'm in. The first one that gets it correct will receive, I'm gonna send you out a gift from the state that I am currently residing in. So with that being said, listen, follow this video all the way, no cheating. Follow this video all the way through to the end and just let me know. All right, thank you. And just let me know where I'm at. Uh-oh. Woo, look at that. I'm all greasy. I've been out and about. And yeah, let's just have fun with it. I can't. Are you familiar with this location? So we out shopping for food. Do you know where this location is at? I don't know. If I turn around, you'll see the name. The first one to guess gets the gift. Whoops. So yeah, it smells so good in here. Look at this. I want you guys to check out the food. It smells so good. I think they're making sweet potato fries. Sweet potato fries? Yeah. It smells so good in here. I'm gonna find out where the smell is coming. Oh, okay. Salon Dawn. Build your own bowl. Who know where this place is at? Build your own bowl. Done steak bowl. Oh my God, I could have that one. Sounds good and smells delicious. This is so good. Oh, sheep cheese and strawberry. This is a treat I cannot share with the kids, not right now. Super delicious. Today is so hot. It's not a lot of people out. I went to this particular spot that I like going to. You saw my sheep cheese with the strawberry. They're closing early today because of the heat index. So yeah, where am I? If you think you know, drop it in the comments below. Huh? You think you know? And yeah, do this look familiar to anybody? I don't know. Oops, damn, almost failed. So found my local barber shop. Will I get a chair in there? I don't know. I may. How you doing? I may start cutting hair. So this particular coffee shop right here, you guys know I love, let me see if you can see the name of it. Manushi's. I actually absolutely love coffee. I want to try this place out, but my thing is when I'm getting coffee, I love mugs. I am a fanatic over mugs. I'm just a mug girl, right? I have eaten their pizza here. It is super amazing. You know, I think I may treat the kids to some pizza here for lunch today. Just something different because their pizza is really, really good. My local little bread spot, they're closing today because of the index. Yeah, so I better take it on in myself. Yeah. Right? You staying cool? I still got them legs out. Yeah. Woo-hoo! Go get your little tan, aren't you? Yeah. You stay hydrated. All right. Have a great day. And you too, sweetheart. Okay, so the next place is a local market that I go to. I'm gonna see if they have any dog shampoo, any oatmeal. I forgot to bring my babe's shampoo, so just kind of comparing prices, you know what I mean? I did get refillable poop thingies. So yeah, let's go in here and see if they got it. Do you have any dog oatmeal shampoo? They may have it. It may be cheaper here than at the other place because it was like 18 bucks. Here, okay, thank you. No, they don't have it. No, you're fine. Dog shampoo. Oh, okay, thank you. Maybe he didn't understand what I was saying. He gave me Listerine. Let's see what they're talking about here. So I will say this. Their dog food is expensive. So I may have to go back to the pet store. No, you know what? I am going to Target. I'm going to go to Target because their dog shampoo was $10 and their dog food was like $1. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Like here, look, honey, we're going to save some change, okay? I don't care if it's 20 cents. And look, this right here, $2.29. Target is $1 and some. I'll see y'all at Target. Man, it's too hot to be out here passing papers out. No, thank you. Oh, they voting for somebody today, man. Look, it's too hot for all that. I see they have a Lidl here that's coming soon. Yeah, we had a Lidl back home that closed it down. But let's go in Target, kick some dog food, and yeah, by now you probably have figured out where I'm at. Let's see. When I tell y'all it's hot outside, I know I gotta live right and go to heaven. Because if hell ain't hotter than this, ain't no way in hell I'm going to hell. Jesus keep me near the cross. So boom, here we go. This on the back. This oatmeal shampoo is $10.99. Yeah, $10.69. The other one was $18. See, I'm saving like $8. Go ahead and get this. And okay. All right, so you know I told you the dog food at the grocery store, but it was like $2.29, $1 cheaper. Boom. Okay. So let me go ahead and get this dog food together and we can get up out of here. So real quick, didn't I tell you I love mugs? Look at this, up all night. Girl, honey, I love mugs. Trying my best. I can see myself drinking some coffee out of this right much in there too. And look, I do agree with this. What people, I deserve a treat. Hello, somebody, your girl love cups. Absolutely love different mugs and stuff. But yeah, this is Target. And let's go ahead and get up out of here. spots I always come to. And if you can guess where I'm at, you'll get a gift. So follow me as I try some of this stuff out. It's pickle. Last time I was here, I tried the pickled mango.
Ooh, Seth, you're right by the pickle mango.
Oh, can I have one?
Extra good.
All right. Okay, so this is the pickled mango. Oh my God, this is so good.
Thank you.
If you're ever in the area, you all come check out my guys. I got the video, the name of it. This is pickled mango. If you never had any of this, try it. These guys are the best. They have pickles. They have pickled mushrooms. They got pickled mushrooms, pickle, all that good stuff.
Yeah.
So listen, again, y'all come check out some of my favorite spots, guys. All right, let's get it.